Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying at your home. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today we are going to start our new book, that is General Awareness Skill Book from Level B. Are you all excited to start the book with me? Yes, I'm very excited. So let's start our first chapter. And our first chapter is all about me. Like all about me. सब कुछ मेरे बारे में. But you will write about you. सब कुछ आपके बारे में. चलिए start करते हैं first chapter. Okay, first chapter is very easy. हमें इससे कुछ लर्न नहीं करना है, बस हमें अपने बारे में लिखना है. Okay, so you will follow me and write down your favorite things. Are you all excited to do the first chapter? Okay, so let's start our class. Okay, first you will tell me your name. First thing is your name. जब भी हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो वो क्या पूछते हैं हमसे? What is your name? यही पूछते हैं ना? And then we answer them that my name is Aryan, my name is Arab, or my name is Sanvi. तो हम अपना name बताते हैं, ठीक है? So first thing is name. You have to write your name here. आप सबको अपने अपने names लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. Like I will write here. My name is Shania. My name is Shania. S-H-A-N-A-Y-A. Shania. Okay? And you will write your names. Or you can write in the caps also. Like this. S-H-A-N-A-Y-A. Shania. Okay? But आपको Shania नहीं लिखना है, आपको अपना नेम लिखना है. ओके, चलिए. नेक्स्ट इज आई एम डैश इयर्स ओल्ड. आप कितने इयर्स के हैं? जब भी आपका बर्थडे आता है आप 1 ईयर बड़े हो जाते हैं, ऐसी होता है ना. सो राइट नाउ यू आर 4 years old. You are 4 years old. Am I right? Okay. So you will write here 4. Okay. Like this, you will write here 4. I am 4 years old. Now next is my birthday is on. Now you have to write your birthday. आपका birthday कब आता है? You will write the date of your birthday. Like my birthday is on 15th September. Okay. मेरा birthday कब आता है? 15th September को. But you will not write this date. You will write your birthday date. आपको अपनी birthday date लिखनी है. Okay class? Very good. Now the next thing is my favorite. Now आप सबको अपनी अपनी favorite चीजें लिखनी है. चलिए start करते हैं. First is your favorite color. Tell me, which is your favorite color? Like my favorite color is white or pink or blue. Any color you can write here. Okay, you can write here any color. I am writing here blue color. P-L-U-E. Blue. Okay, you will write your favorite color. Next is, what is this picture? It's a picture of animal. So you have to write your favorite animal here. Tell me, which is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is cat. I will write the spelling of cat here. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. You will write your favorite animal. Chaliye. Next is, what is this? This boy is eating food. So you have to write here favorite food. Yes, you have to write here favorite food. My favorite food is tell me your favorite food. My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice and rajma. I will write here rice, R-I-C-E, rice, and rajma, R-A-J-M-A. Okay, you will write your favorite food. And the last is, it's a picture of a book. You will write your favorite book here. My favorite book is the coloring book. So I will write here coloring book. C-O-L-O-U-R-I-N-G. Coloring book. You have to write your favorite books here, okay? Chaliye. Now, this is all about me and you will write all about you, okay? So, please complete this page with your mama at your home. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.